So here seventh one. So given A is equal to 8, AN is equal to 62, SN equal to 210, and here we have to find out N and D. Okay, we know the formula for Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is, here we know Sn and N we have to find out, and A we have given, so N we have to find out, but D also it is not given. So in such situation we have got one more formula, that is Sn is equal to N by 2 into the first term and the last term. This is the formula. So Sn we know, N we have to calculate, A we know, and An also we know. So we will substitute these values. That is 210 is equal to N divided by 2. A is 8 plus 62. Okay. So N by 2 into 70 is equal to 210. So N by 2 is equal to 210 divided by 70. 7 ones are 7 3s are. So N by 2 is equal to 3. N is equal to 6. Okay. So now we got N. So we have to calculate D. D means here An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So An we know, that is equal to 62. And here A is equal to what? A is equal to, he has given 8. So plus, that is N means 6 minus 1 into D. Okay. So here 6 minus 1 D means 5D. This is 5D is equal to 62 minus 8. So D is equal to 62 minus 8 means 54. 54. This is divided by 5. So D is equal to 54 by 5. Okay, this is the final answer. So here seventh one we'll see. Here also he has given An is equal to 4 and D is equal to 2 he has given, and Sn he has given as minus 14. So here find N and A we have to calculate. So you see here, first put a formula for Sn which is equal to N by 2. So 2A plus N minus 1 into D. You see Sn we know, N we don't know, A we don't know, N also we don't know, D we know. So here two terms are there that we don't know. So this cannot be used. So we will use another formula, that is Sn is equal to N by 2, that is first term plus last term. So here this we know, and here this we know. So here also two terms we don't know. So it is inevitable to use any one of the equations. So let us consider this is, because this is simple. So Sn is equal to what? Sn he has given minus 14. So minus 14 is equal to N by 2, we don't know N. So here A. So here A also he has not given. So plus An means 4. Okay, this one. So here minus 14 into 2 minus 28. Minus 28 is equal to N into A plus 4. Okay. So here N is equal to minus 28 divided by A plus 4. So let us see this one what we can do. So let us call this as a equation 1. So now we know that An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. An we know, that is An is equal to 4 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D means here 2. Okay. So now what we have to do? We will substitute this N value in this one. Okay. So 4 is equal to A plus N means minus 28 divided by A plus 4 minus 1. Okay. This is into 2. So 4 is equal to A plus, here you see LCM, this is A plus 4. Okay. Minus 28. Minus of A plus 4 means minus A minus 4. So this is 1 into 2. So 4 is equal to A plus, here A plus 4. So here minus A minus 32. Okay. So this is 2. What we can do? We can take out A from this one. A is equal to 4 minus of this whole thing. Okay. Here minus A minus 32 divided by A plus 4. and into 2. So this one, here I'll start. So here A is equal to 4 minus, see here minus will take common here. So 4 minus of minus, this will become plus. So that this is A plus 32 divided by A plus 4, which is into 2. Okay. So A is equal to, here LCM we will take again. So A plus 4 will be the LCM. Okay. So here 4A plus 16 plus here 2 will be multiplied here. 2A plus 64. Okay. So A is equal to, here 4A, 2A, 6A. Okay. Plus 16 plus 64 means 80 divided by A plus 4. So cross multiplication, A into A square plus 4A is equal to 6A plus 80. Okay. So here A square plus 4A minus 6A minus 80 equal to 0. So here plus 4A minus 6A means A square minus 2A minus 80 equal to 0. So 80 factorization for this one, 40 into 2 or 20 into 4, like this. 80 factors will take. So 80, 2, 40, 20, 10, 5, 5, 1. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 8, 10 and 8. Okay, 10 8 is 80. So here A square minus 10A plus 8A minus 80 equal to 0. So here A into A minus 10 plus 8 into A minus 10, okay, equal to 0. A minus 10 and A plus 8 equal to 0. So A is equal to 10 and A is equal to minus 8. There are two values for A, that is A equal to 10 and A equal to minus 8. So we will take these two both values and we will calculate n value. We have to use this A value and calculate the n value. A is equal to 10. So now an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So an we know that is equal to 4, which is equal to A we will take 10. So plus n minus 1 into d means 2. Okay. 2 into n minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 10. Okay. So n minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 10 means this is minus 6 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay. So n minus 1 equal to minus 3. So n is equal to minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to minus 2. So n cannot be minus because number of terms cannot be negative. We will take this A is equal to minus 8. So an is equal to what? Here we will substitute 4 is equal to, here minus 8 I will take plus n minus 1 into 2. Okay. So n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 8. Okay. This minus 8 will be plus this side. So n minus 1 is equal to 8 4 12 divided by 2. Okay. 2 6. So n is equal to 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So the n is positive means this only we have to take. So A is equal to minus 8, n is equal to 7. That is the answer. So here ninth one, given A is equal to 3, A is equal to 3, n is equal to 8 and S is equal to 192. So we have to find out the D. We will put a formula for sum, that is Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Yes, we know that is 192 is equal to 8 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus n minus 1 into, so n is equal to 8 here. Okay. 8 minus 1 into D. Okay. So here 8 by 2 means this is 4. 192 is equal to 4 into 3 to 6 plus this is 8 minus 1. This is 7D. Okay. So here 6 plus 7D is equal to 192 divided by 4. Here 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. 32. 4 8s are 32. So here 6 plus 7D is equal to 48. So 7D is equal to 48 minus 6. So 7D is equal to 42. So D is equal to 42 divided by 7. So 7 1 is 7 6 there. So D is equal to 6. This is the solution. So we will go for 10th one. This is 10th one. So here L is equal to 28. L means last term. This is. So S is equal to 144. And there are total 9 terms. Means N is equal to 9. So here we will put a formula, that is sum Sn is equal to N divided by 2. That is first term plus last term. So last term we know. So this sum we know. N also we know. So we have to calculate A. Okay. Sum is equal to 144, which is equal to N means 9. 9 by 2. Here A plus An means 28. Okay. Here 9. This is 2. 288 is equal to 9A plus 28 into 9. 72. 252. Okay. This is 9A. So 9A is equal to 288 minus 252. So A is equal to, here 288 minus 252 means, so here A is equal to 36 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 fours are. So A is equal to 4. So this is the solution. Okay. 5.3 in that question number 4. How many terms of AP must be taken to give a sum of 636? That is sum they have given is equal to 636. Okay. Here A is given, that is 9, and D also given, that is 17 minus 9, which is equal to 8. So number of terms, that he is asking. N is equal to what? So we know the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So sum he has given, that is 636, is equal to N, that only we have to find out. Here 2 into 9 plus N minus 1 into D means 8. Okay. So here 636 into 2 we have to calculate. That is 2 6 is 12, 1, 2 3 is 6 1 7, 2 6 is 12. This is 1272 is equal to, so N is N into 9 2 is 18 plus 8N minus 8. Okay. So now here 18N, this we will bring to our LHS side. 18N plus 8N square minus 8N minus 1272 is equal to 0. Okay. So 8N square I will write first. Then minus 8N plus 18N. So this is plus 10N minus 1272. Okay. This is equal to 0. So now here this can be divided by 2. So that 4N square plus 5N minus 636 equal to 0. See, we have to solve this quadratic equation. This can be solved by using the quadratic equation formula. So here A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to minus 636. Okay. So for using that formula, first we will calculate, that is a discriminant, which is equal to B square minus 4AC. That is square root of B square minus 4AC. So B square means 5 square minus 4 into A, 4 into minus 636. Okay. This is under root. So this is 25 minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 into 636. So here 10176, which is equal to plus 25 means 10201. Okay. This is square root. Okay. 10201. So here the square root of this one is equal to this. We found that this is 101 because you see 101 into 101, which is equal to, so 10201. You can calculate this one. Okay. N is equal to minus 5 minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC means this is 101. So divide by 2. So we will consider first positive term. Okay. Positive term, which is minus 5 plus 101 divided by 2. So here 101 means this is 96 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 8s are. So this is equal to 48. So N is equal to 48, one value. So negative term, if you consider negative term, this is minus 5 minus 101 divided by 2. So minus 106 divided by 2, this is 53. So this is minus 53. But here n, that is number of terms, cannot be negative. So we will take this as a solution. That is n is equal to 48. Okay. So here exercise 5.3, in that question number 5. The first term of the AP is 5, that is A is equal to 5. And the last term is 45, that is AN is equal to 45. And the sum is 400, that is SN is equal to 400. So find the number of terms and the common difference, that is N is equal to what and D is equal to what. So here first we will use this AN formula. First we will use AN formula, that is A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, N minus 1 into D is equal to AN minus A. Okay, N minus 1 into D is equal to AN means 45 minus A means 5. So this is equal to 40. Okay, this is N minus 1 into D. Sn is equal to N divided by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So Sn we know this is equal to 400. So this is N by 2. Here 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 plus here N minus 1 into D. Okay. So here what happens? This N minus 1 into D value we got here. Okay. This we will substitute here. So this 400 is equal to N by 2 into 5 into 10. 2 is equal to 10. So plus this is 40. Okay. So here N by 2 is equal to 400, okay, divided by 50. This is 40 plus 10, 50. So this cancel. 5 ones are 5 8s are. So N by 2 is equal to 8. So N is equal to 16. Okay. And we got N. So then we have to calculate this common difference. So we will put here. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we know AN is equal to what? 45. Okay, is equal to 5 plus 16 we got. 16 minus 1 into D. So 16 minus 1 means 15. That is 15D is equal to 45 minus 5. So D is equal to, this is 40 divided by 15. So here 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are. So D is equal to 8 by 3. So this is the solution. This is N, this is 8. Okay, thank you.